Hello everyone, welcome to Phone and Today we're going to be talking about a new feature which Truecaller has rolled out called SMS Fraud Protection. So before that, let's just talk about all this nonsense going around in the name of KYC and SMSs.
Newest type of scam that many of our Indians are facing.
Especially, I think, ever since government and banks have started enforcing KYC, these scammers have found out a way to kind of scare consumers and especially innocent victims who end up clicking on, and this is very prevalent on Android. And what I've also seen or heard about is in some cases where you get malicious links,
Right.
where they even end up installing a remote, kind of a remote viewer. So you install that, and the hacker gets control of your phone, and in that way, you know even your OTPs, everything is taken over.
Yeah.
And there are sadly multiple cases of people being duped this way, losing lakhs of money.
Yeah.
Hard-earned money is just stolen without even the person realizing.
Yes.
Just because there was some link which they clicked, their phone was hijacked. It's crazy, the modus operandi of these criminals, how it works. So we just want to bring part of this video is also to most of us are tech savvy. If you're watching this video, you are aware of how to detect something like a scammy SMS versus something which is genuine. But it's become so insane now. Sometimes even me being so tech savvy, and I end up randomly getting so many messages. Sometimes I might even click on a genuine looking fake message because it's so well engineered, and even they have landing pages which are
very genuine, right?
More genuine than the real one.
Yeah.
Like if you have SBI being hijacked or HDFC or ICICI. Let's talk about what Truecaller is doing in this space.
Sure. Yeah. So to start with, they have something called fraud protection.
So SMS Fraud Protection is a new feature they have rolled out. It's called SMS Fraud Protection. It's available only on Android in India.
For now.
And Truecaller has developed this using artificial intelligence, and they've developed something called fraud intelligence internally because of the amount of fraud. They've seen reports from users using their app. They have over 350 million users now. They've seen so much of these scam numbers being reported on their systems. So they are come up with a proactive warning. So the moment you get one of these fraudulent messages, you'll see these kind of alerts. This is what it says, likely fraud, and when you go click on the message, even the links are disabled by default. So unless you whitelist the sender, you can't really click on the link, which is good because most people end up randomly clicking these links. And you can block the sender, and you would never receive any of these fraudulent messages from that particular sender. You might again receive something like that from a different sender. Truecaller is also claiming that it works offline.
Yes. So if you don't have an internet connection too,
and all of the SMS processing also Truecaller says happens on the device and doesn't leave your device. So for those of privacy conscious folks are worried about Truecaller getting access to their messages. So this works only if you set Truecaller as your default SMS.
Yes, that is a necessary requirement for this feature to work.
So we do it on the phone. So most of us use Truecaller for caller ID, right?
Yes.
For the call blocking and spam call detection. But not many users are aware about Truecaller actually having an SMS functionality as well. So
it's built into the app.
But not many users use it or even are aware of it. So if you've not checked out, we get a lot of spam messages, and also it has some interesting features wherein you can even organize your bank messages and even delete your OTPs. They have one-click delete for your OTPs, which is a live OTPs we are spammed with. Considering, I think there's a joke in India, is death by OTPs. So that's the amount of OTPs we get. So one more thing is that Truecaller says that they've partnered with various government agencies and other organizations as well to make sure that the legitimate messages are not flagged as fraud, but also the fraudulent messages who are impersonating these government agencies also get caught by the system. So that's interesting. Youngsters or people who are techie will know this, but what I'm concerned about is elderly people.
Yep.
Like I've seen my folks in my family itself they're just confused by these messages. Sometimes they click it, sometimes they ask us.
Yeah.
Just educate who's around you to make sure to not click on random links or reply to random individuals. And one of the tools they can use is Truecaller to detect these fraud messages. So So that's there. Overall, pretty interesting feature, and do let us know if you've used it, and any scam or attempt to scam you've been part of. Let us know in the comments. We love to hear. Or what is the latest scam which is happening. Do let us know in the comments, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.